Play some volleyball? Maybe master every instrument in the orchestra?
I was thinking maybe we'd stop Eggman.
Safety first, Tails. What is it they say? You can't swim for at least 3 hours after a meal?
Sonic, you're stalling.
Stalling? I'm not stalling. Why would I stall? I hate stalling. In fact, here's a list of the things I like better than stalling. Root beer, coloring books, bean burritos, first day of spring, second day of spring, third day of spring. Fine, I admit it. I still can't swim. I never took those lessons at the community pool.
Sonic, you promised.
They wanted to put me in the beginner's class with the little kids. I can't be swimming around with a bunch of 5-year-olds. They can be so cruel when they sense weakness.
That's why on the first day, you have to beat up the biggest one in the yard.
Knuckles, that's prison.
Only if you let it be.